Watch my plant.
Huh?
You gotta drive straight.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Huh?
You're going right straight into my plant.
Huh? Mommy, Mama.
No mas.
Mommy.
You get tired very easily. 2 seconds for this, 2 seconds for that, and that's it. No mas. Uh-oh, you're gonna get hurt.
Huh?
You're gonna get boo-boo.
Mama, Ben.
Yeah, the plants, you gotta watch them. You see how pretty they are? They're growing really pretty.
Papa.
Oh, how nice. Which one you like?
Mommy, Mama,
What?
Mommy, I'm here.
What happened? Are you gonna get dirty?
No.
Huh? Look at your hands. Let me see. Let me see your hands. Ew! Caca! No, not on mommy. You want to clean yourself on me? Oh, shoot. What did I step on?
But help. Mommy, Daddy. Yeah. Oh, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
I'm here.
You gonna drive your fire truck?
Huh?
You gonna drive your fire truck? Isn't it better, honey, if you put your shoes on?
Huh?
Isn't it better if you put your shoes on?
Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Mommy. On. How are we?
Hi, baby. You're gonna fall. Yeah, you are gonna fall. Get down.
No.
Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not how you drive the car.
Huh?
That's not how you drive the car.
Mommy.
Why don't you give me some water? Go inside your house and get me water.
Huh?
I'm thirsty.
Mila.
You go in your house, get me water.
Huh?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah, in your house. Right there, in your kitchen. Go ahead. Go in your kitchen. Make me something to drink.
Huh?
What are you gonna make me?
Tea.
You're gonna make me tea? Okay.
Papa.
Oh, maybe you should put your shoes on. My goodness. That's too heavy.
Huh?
That's too heavy for you.
Hey. Mommy, that's your hour.
I know.
That's your hour. My hour. My hour.
Yep.
Mama, baby.
A peel?
Mama, baby. Mommy.
What?